Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm just going to go through these two fault codes, P0105 and P0110 air temperature sensor circuit 4 inlet manifold pressure sensor. So if you're getting this fault code, forget the bottom one. If you're getting the top two fault codes, I'll explain exactly where it is so you know what to look for. It's this sensor here. Now I'm going to just clean that and see if we can get a part number off it. First here, there you are, guys. So that's what causes that, and that'll probably give you engine management light on in amber and red, and probably puts you into lit mode. So if it does, that's where the sensor is. Check the wiring room, make sure everything's fine or works. If it is, then that means it's a sensor. And the reality is, sometimes this sensor's fine, this wiring is fine, it's the inside that's heavily clogged up and is causing the sensor. So what I would do is take this out. It's these two bolts, take it out. Is it two? No, it's one bolt, sorry. Take it out, clean it, put it back and do a reset. Once you do a reset, in other words, once you've done a reset on the diagnostic like this one, do a full scan and clear, move on, drive it and see what happens. But that's where this sensor is, guys. That's where it lays.